Hey guys, welcome back here. This is Verified Drops. Okay, we're here again with another airdrop from this mining app, GoodDollar. I know a lot of you have heard about this, so let's get into this video. Okay, so we are in the app. This is the GoodDollar app. This is how it is, and I've earned like close to $5 from this app. So I know you guys will earn a lot from this. Okay, so you click on claim and you click on claim anytime. Every 1300 hours of the day is the daily claiming. So I'll be showing you how to claim on the Celo network. This is the first network on the app. So we'll claim on the Celo network on the website. So after we claim on the Celo network, we can transfer our coin to the Metamask and convert it there. But that will be in another video. But today I'll be showing you how to claim on the Celo network. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so you see I've claimed this, and this is my next claim in the next 18 hours. So I'll wait for that again to claim this. So I'll be showing you how to claim on the site. So let's get into that. So we are on the site now, the gooddayapp.org/#/claim. Okay, so you can claim now 38.23 Gs, and I've already connected my wallet, but I'll be disconnecting my wallet from this, my GoodDollar app from this, because of this video, so you guys can understand this better. Okay, so let's get into this. Disconnected, so connect to a wallet. I connect to a wallet. Okay, so I choose the GoodDollar wallet. Okay, the GoodDollar wallet. So I connect and it takes me to the app. So I approve. After approving, I go back to the site. Okay, so I claim now and waiting confirmation. Okay, action required. Okay, I need to go back to the app again to approve this. Okay, I approve this. Okay, I've approved that. So I go over to the site again to check. Okay, so you see my balance. Congrats, you claimed G's today. Already claimed this, and it's also the same as claiming on the app every 24 hours, every day. This is the G's I have. It's 993.65 G's worth $0.17. So once it's up to $5 or $1, I withdraw. But I'll be showing you how to withdraw here in other videos. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Hope you guys gained a lot. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, like this is the first time of you watching our video, please subscribe and turn on notification bell. Until next time guys, peace.